Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a haul for you. I got some things from Ulta and Sephora and I wanted to show you everything I got because I do plan on filming a full face of makeup using a bunch of these products. So I hope you guys are excited to see what I got from both Sephora and a lot of drugstore makeup from Ulta. By the way, if this is your first time here and you've never seen me, hello, my name is Angelica and I hope you subscribe so that we can stick around to watch some more of my videos, more of my content, and of course some more of my hauls. So I'm gonna start off with the Sephora stuff because it's just a little bit of it. So starting off with the foundation, this one I'm pretty sure you've seen it in a bunch of videos already, but this one is the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation, and this one is supposed to be like really good, not only as it applies but also long term. This one says that it's a foundation for your best healthy looking skin day every day. So I did get this one in the color 4 Neutral, so I hope it matches me pretty good. It looks like it's gonna be a pretty good match. I'm pretty light right now, and then I just always wonder if things oxidize because they always look, you know, kind of orangey if I get them a little too dark. But yeah, this looks like it's gonna be a really good color for me. It feels and looks really smooth, so I'm excited to try it, and it does look pretty full coverage. This one does say that it is a medium coverage and it's supposed to be light as air, and it also says that it will make your skin look more beautiful over time, healthy looking, glowy and brighter and smooth and all that good stuff. So I am excited to try this one. Like I said, I do want to do either a full face of makeup with it and then do a review after I try it a little bit. I also got 2 things from Rare Beauty. I have not tried anything at all from the brand, but this one is a bronzer or a contour stick. Let me see, and I'm pretty sure it's a bronzer. Yeah, a mistake proof bronzer in a convenient stick. Formula that melts seamlessly into skin for natural looking warmth and dimension. And I did get this one in Always Sunny. I think I was gonna get the one right before it, but it was out of stock. And I did see, oh, it is very creamy. I did see that, you know what, I think I'm gonna take off my watch because it kind of gives a glare. I did see a lot of reviews already on the website, and a lot of those reviews did have the color that I was going to get, but they didn't have it in stock. So I still think this one will be pretty good because again, you can blend it out, and bronzer is, you know, you can play with it and it'll work. So there's that one from Rare Beauty. And then this one is a little weird one. This one is a powder, and I say weird because it's not a translucent powder. I did get the color Light, and it did look a little pink in the pictures, and now that I'm looking at it, it does look kind of pink too. Like I said, it's not a translucent powder, so I guess I'll see. This one has, oh, okay, that's, hopefully that packaging is good, but it opens up. You have to like unlock it, I guess, just like that, and you close it. I'm not too sure about that making mess thing. I'm just stuck on my Laura Mercier, but because I'm stuck on the Laura Mercier powder, I wanted to try something different. So yeah, haven't tried anything from the brand. These are the first 2 products ever. And then the last thing I got from Sephora, oh no, I'm wrong. I got one more thing from Sephora. Oh yeah, I remember. I got another Rare Beauty product. This one is a blush, and I've also heard very good things about the blushes. I feel like a lot of people had them in their 2021 favorites videos and stuff like that, so I wanted to try it. And this one is a new color. This one is in the color Hope Dewy Liquid Blush. I'll put this one right here next to the bronzer. Ooh, there it is, very creamy and pretty thick, so that looks really nice. You can see both of them together right there. I changed my settings because I feel like, I don't know, my previous 2 videos were like very orangey, and I was still playing with everything, and the background looked good, but I looked orangey. You couldn't even see the color of like the blush whenever I was swatching it and everything. It was just like washed out, and I don't know, really weird with the lighting and stuff. So yeah, I feel like this looks a little bit more real. And then the last thing is the Huda Beauty Lunar palette, and I really like the colors. This one's called Tiger Wild Obsessions, but it has a really beautiful color story, and look at how pretty these colors look. They're like yellows, oranges, just colors that I like. And also it has the golds in here. This middle one right here looks really pretty. I'm gonna swatch it. Ooh, it's a really pretty gold pink color. Let me see, I'll swatch one of the mattes. This yellow one looks pretty, and the orange one looks pretty. Ooh, that middle shade looks so pretty. Hopefully you can tell. No, it kind of looks just pink, but it has like a shift to it that's more golden. But these two are really soft. Like Huda Beauty's eyeshadows are usually pretty good. Oh, they even stained my fingertips right there. So okay, those are the products that I got from Sephora. Yeah, let me know what you think. First impression of doing a full face of makeup, a review individually, like what would you prefer? What are you more interested in, most interested in watching on YouTube lately? Because I'm just like, should I do just full face of makeup and just trying makeup and putting makeup on, or do more like in-depth reviews? And like, what do you guys want to watch now? I have no clue. So yeah, pretty excited about that because I haven't bought, like I said, you know, I haven't played around with some new makeup in a while. So anyways, let me move on to the Ulta box, which is a pretty big box. Like I said, I want to try some new things this year, and I really wanted to try some brand new drugstore products because I have not tried a lot of the new stuff that's come out in the past. So let me see, this is 2 e.l.f. palette. Look how pretty they look. This one is the bronzer palette, and I did get this one. I don't know, I thought they had a few options, but probably like the lightest one that they had. And the colors look really pretty, kind of similar, but I can see 2 mattes and 2 shimmers, so that's good. It seems like almost the same color, but just one is shimmery, one is matte. So let me see. Oh, they feel really, really soft. Hopefully they show up on my skin tone because they're pretty light, but maybe building them up will be a little better. Look at the way that eyeshadow just stained it also stained my fingertips. Okay, there you can see them a little bit better, but they are pretty light. But I know just building up the bronzer on my skin tone, like they should work. Try these blushes. These have really, really pretty combinations. I'll try these 3. Oh yeah, those are gonna work out perfectly. Yeah, look at those. These are nice. Really pretty tones. A little bit of everything too. I really love this one. I'm really into like orangey tones right now, and that one just seems very pretty. I'm lying, there's one more face palette in here, and this one is the Sculpt and Shade palette from e.l.f. So I'll just show you the colors. That way I just don't swatch every single thing, and then, you know, it's gonna be forever by the time I'm done with this haul video. So you see the tones, they look super nice. Another foundation that I got is this one from e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I know this is not a new foundation, but so many people have tried this, and it's been out how long? Like maybe a year now, but I have never tried it. Whenever it first came out, it was like sold out all the time. So hopefully I even got the same or the right shade. I did get in the color Fair 120N. So I'm hoping that it matches me. So I'll open it later, but just so you can see it. I mean, it's nothing new, but I wanted to try a new drugstore foundation. It's supposed to be, you know, pretty full coverage and just really pretty on the skin. So we'll see. And then this one is the, what is it? Dream Lit Under Eye Brightener. Oh yeah, I remember this. This is by Pacifica. So this is not a concealer. It's just supposed to brighten your under eyes area. And it says plump, brighten, and lifting effect. So I'm curious about how that works. It says a magic wand for under your eyes. Brighten, reflect light, and instantly lift. Our Ultra Luxe glass bottles uses less plastic. It's just white, so I'm guessing it's gonna be kind of like a moisturizer almost, or like a primer. I don't know, pretty curious to try this one out. Let me know if you have tried it and if you think it works. This is the Revolution Ultra Glow Highlighter. I don't remember what this is supposed to look like. It's big. I didn't know it was gonna be this big. How cute that is. Ooh, so cute. And oh yes, this one looks like a perfect highlighter tone that I like, that I get all the time, and it's huge. It reminds me of like the Charlotte Tilbury type of packaging. Look at this. The product is really, really smooth. That glow, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This one's that primer, it's still there, but this is the highlighter. Look at how pretty that looks. Oh, I'm so excited to try it on my face. And I just love the packaging. It actually feels pretty nice, so that's really pretty. So next I got this Maybelline Superstay Activewear Concealer. This one says a 30-hour concealer, and that's pretty much all that it says on here. I can't remember what the description was, but it is a new concealer from Maybelline. So I'm excited because I haven't tried a new concealer in a while. And then this one is a lip scrub. This one's from Essence. It's called Coffee to Glow. And I do use a lip scrub right now, but it's more like it's in a jar, you know, it's more like one of those typical little jars with the sugar scrub inside. So I wanted to try this one. It is in a lipstick form. I've tried one from e.l.f., but I feel like the e.l.f. one is super, super dry. It just gets everywhere. So hopefully this one's not like that. This one is a new primer. This one's the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And this is how this one looks. This one's super, super new. I do have redness on my skin and I have dry skin. So anything that's, you know, fresh and hydrating, like it's gonna work out for my skin tone my skin type the best. So I really wanted to try this one. Like I said, it's called the Power Grip Primer. And it says, keep makeup in place with this clear gel primer, full of skin-loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid for skin that looks and feels its best. I also got a lip liner because I really need just like a regular nude lip liner that's not too dark. The one that I use right now, it is a little bit more like on the dark brown side. So I want one that's a little bit more like nude brown, just a little lighter, you know? So this one's from Milani. And this one, it says Rich Creamy Formula. What is it called though? The Understatement Lip Liner. So it looks just like this. It seems like it's going to be a really, really good nude lip liner for me to use with my, you know, with the majority of my nude lipsticks. It seems pretty creamy. So if I like it, I would get more colors in this. And then I also am going to try the NYX Thick It, Stick It, Thickening Brow Mascara. So I have been using the Anastasia Brow Wax, or what is it called? Brow Freeze. And that's the one that I have on my eyes right now. I just like for them to like stay in place. It is in a different packaging than the majority of those brow products that are like those, not just a gel, but like it makes your eyebrows stick. So this one's in the color brown, or what color did I get? I remember it had a name, Espresso. So yeah, hopefully it matches pretty good with me, because the one after this one was black, and then the one before that was a little bit more, I think, red tone. So I went with Espresso, so hopefully it works out for me. And then I also got another loose powder, like a drugstore powder. So I'm trying a new high-end powder, a new drugstore powder. This one's from Milani, and this one is translucent, so pretty excited about that because I prefer a translucent powder. I just feel like it's better for everything, whether you're setting your entire face and you know, you still want your makeup that maybe you put cream bronzer, maybe you put cream blush to show up. It doesn't like cover it up a little bit. So I prefer, you know, something that's translucent. So this is the way that this one looks. So yeah, this one's in the color number 1. So yeah, I much prefer something like this rather than something pinky. So we'll see about this one. And then let me see. I also got 3 lipsticks. I'm trying to find some more nude lipsticks that can work with my skin tone and that, you know, just can match with different looks. I got the new NYX Lingerie XXL. And I got 2 colors. One is Turn On and one is Undressed. So again, just pretty nude tones. Ooh, this one looks really nice. Oh, and it looks really intense. Look at how pretty that looks. Next is Undressed. So, okay, this one has more of a pink tone to it. This one right here. So it's a little bit more pink. I prefer something like that, but I can't wait to try both because you never know, you know? And then this one is from Milani, and this one's called First Kiss, and it's also a nude liquid lipstick, or what's this one called? Plumping Lip Lacquer. So yeah, I'm really into the lip plumping from Too Faced, and I have mentioned that I have tried some other ones, so I wanted to try this one. This one is a little pinky. So it's this one right here. It's pretty pigmented. I thought it was going to be a little more clear, but that's also pretty. Next, I got 2 sprays. This one's from Milani. It's the Make It Last Matte Finish. And I want to say this came free because I ordered a few Milani products, because I don't think I actually bought this in like this size, because I'm pretty sure it's a bigger packaging, but I at least get to try it. This one is the matte finish. See, because I got a few Milani things, I think this one came for free with it, along with these by NYX, which I'm actually excited to try these too, because I have seen people use these and that they like them and stuff is the Marshmallow Primer. It looks just like this. 100% sure what this one's supposed to be for, but I'll look it up and check to see like which one I want to try out. And then this one says it right here. It's a pore filler primer. So this one's a white one. And then lastly is the Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray from NYX. So it's just a tiny little bottle, super cute, but this one gives me a dewy finish. So now I have one to try that's a matte finish and a Drugstore one to try that's a dewy finish. And then this one I did get, this one is from Pacifica and it is the Vegan Collagen Hydrating Setting Mist. Again, I have dry skin and a little bit of redness, so hydrating, anything I see that says hydrating or hydration or extra moisture or whatever, I just feel like it'll work pretty good with my skin. So hopefully this one does. It's a really pretty bottle and it is glass. Look at how nice this looks. This one says an instant refresh for tired, dehydrated skin made with vegan collagen to help promote hydration and revive dull skin. So sounds pretty good. Okay, so this one is the Milani Lip Mask. Again, I do have a lip mask that I like, but I haven't tried a Drugstore mask, and this one's really new. This one is an intensive overnight recovery lip mask that replenishes, moisturizes, and soothes dry lips. So perfect for right now, winter, so it looks really creamy, really pretty. And then I also saw that Colourpop had a palette and I wanted to try a Drugstore palette. Well, it's not really Drugstore, I mean it's from Colourpop, so I don't know if it's on their website, but for sure it's on Ulta. This one is called So Fly, and look at how pretty this looks. It has this pretty pop of like teal right here, but I really love the other colors. I feel like it can either work for an everyday look or just a little bit more if you want to add some shimmer and all that. So I think the color combination is really pretty in here. Let me swatch some of these. This one's Flight Path, Skydive. They're super soft and seem pretty shimmery. This one is Dragon Tail. So, ooh, look at how pretty that looks. Super shimmery. They're a little powdery, but they still look really nice. Can't get over how much those other products stain my hand. There you go, much better. You can see them because this one's like really stained already. So these are 3 of the colors right there. Let me try this middle one because it has like a really pretty shift to it. Like I said, it's like pink with a little bit of green. Oh, you can't see it there. Maybe you can, just a tiny bit, but look at how pretty those colors are. I thought this one would be very pretty, like if you want to do an everyday look, if you want to intensify it a little bit with the dark browns or add some color to it with this one or the pink one. It just looked overall really pretty. I'm actually wearing Colourpop today. I'm using this little purple palette right here. It looks really cute. I love how the pastel purple looks on my eyes and everything. So yeah, Colourpop, it usually has pretty good products, pretty good quality products that show up. Very pigmented. These shimmers are always like really intense. So these two are just some new Drugstore eyelashes. This one is from Kiss and it is the Lash Couture L'Extensions, and these are in the style Velvet. They just seem pretty fluffy, but not like too much length or too dark or anything like that. And I always look for eyelashes that are longer in the center of the eye rather than like the edges, because the way that my eyes are shaped, they just look better when the eyelashes are longer in the center. So these look just like that. And this one is the Eyler London Wild and Wispy eyelashes, and look, these are a little bit longer, so a little bit more dramatic. They look really wispy and like just nice, and it also comes with a little glue in there. So yeah, I was kind of thinking like a first impression type video, or like trying a full face of brand new Drugstore makeup or something like that. But you let me know what you would like to see from me. And that is pretty much it for today's video. That is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and like I said, let me know how you would like to see these products in the future. Do you prefer reviews? Do you prefer like a first impression or a full face of makeup? Or just let me know what you're watching the most of right now on YouTube. So anyways, like I said, thank you so much for being here today, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.